I am a social worker of Chuchi or MOC. Every time may mga medical o may mga patients na kailangan ng tulong, kailangan ng medical assistance, sumasama kami para magpa-check up sa patient or magbigay ng medicine. I'm just really happy to be doing things for Chuchi Foundation ba because this is really like give back or parang ako naman yung tutulong sa mga nangangailangan ng tulong ng Chuchi Foundation. So, I was born cross-eyed na. Of course, bullying, hindi talaga yun may iwasan. So, kids na mga ka-edad ko lang, tinutokso talaga ako na duling, 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 ganyan. Pero may mga time talaga na napapaaway talaga din ako minsan. Yung moment na yun na duling ako, it was sad, painful. Pero I think it also made me stronger and braver and pina-feel sa akin na blessed din ako kasi I have the people around me na tumutulong sa akin, yung family ko na supportive. During the pre-cataract operation, Dr. Sai approached me and then yun na tinanong niya, tinip niya yung bangs ko and then he was like, what's behind that bangs? And then pag ganun niya, he was like, kaya pala, do you want to get operated daw? And then I was like, okay, sige po. Pero at that time, hindi pa talaga ako maasa na maoperahan ako. Kasi malaking process po yan eh. I know it because I've been searching about it. I've been doing research about it. Doon na time na yun, yung pagpunta ko talaga doon is pagtulong lang talaga as a volunteer. Night before ng operation ko, I told my parents about it and then they were really happy and glad na pumunta ako doon para tumulong and then it turned out the other way around na ako yung natulungan. Thank you God for bringing Chuchi into my life kasi iba talaga yung tulong ng Chuchi na nabigay sa akin.